Hello students of Standard 5th. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mejram. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will see how to write a diary entry.
Dear students, do you know why does anyone write a diary? Dear students, maintaining a diary is generally a very good habit. One can always check facts, looking back, remember events, find an outlet and effectively document one's life this way. Some people even name their diaries and addresses them like an imaginary friend. Now let us see how to write a diary entry. Format for diary entry is here. First of all, we have to mention date and day. Then next, time. After that, we have to write Dear Diary. And then comes the content or the main body. Today, start by describing the day and talk about the topic. Here is an example of writing a diary entry. Let us see what is the question first. You visited the zoo with your friends. You feel very sad that the animals are being put up in cages and they are forced to separate from their habitat and their families. Express your feelings in the form of diary. First of all, we will write the date on which we are writing the diary entry. Example, 6th of July 2020. Then we will write the day in next line. After that, we will write the time. And after that, we will write Dear Diary or Dear Kitty. We can give any name to our diary. Today, I went with my friends to a zoo. I was quite excited about the trip because I love animals. However, it turned out to be one of the saddest experiences of my life. We saw many birds and animals in the zoo. Alas, they didn't look happy in their cages. They looked sad in their small enclosures. I am sure they missed the blue sky. The plight of the lion, tiger and leopard was not much better either. They were kept inside tiny cages. They seemed to be well fed, yet they looked tired and unhealthy. They get absolutely no opportunities to walk or run. They pace their small cages up and down, looking restive and angry. I felt quite disappointed. I have decided to talk to the authorities about this. So dear students, in this way we have to write a diary entry. Now let us quickly recapitulate again the format of diary entry. First of all, we will write the date. After that, day. Then time. Then we will give our diary some name or simply we can write Dear Diary. And then comes the main body or content today and start by describing the day and talk about the topic. Dear students, here are 2 diary entries which you have to do in your copy. Have a nice day. Thank you.